Hello kids, let's solve math with BODMAS. Are you ready? Let's go. 250,000 plus 750,000 divided by 3. You know that we do division first, then addition, and the answer is 500,000. In this question, we solve the brackets first, then we do the multiplication. 5 million minus 2 million equals 3 million and then multiply by 4. So the answer is 12 million. We apply same rule to this question. First we solve brackets, then we do multiply. 400,000 plus 600,000 equals 1 million. Multiply with 5, then we have 5 million. We have another question with brackets. First we solve brackets, then we add. 7 billion minus 2 billion equals 5 billion. Add with 5 billion. So the answer is 10 billion. Let's solve another question. 2000 plus 1000 equals 3000. Now 9 billion divided by 3000 equals 3 million. Let's understand it. Do you know what is BODMAS? BODMAS is the official order of operations that tells us the correct step-by-step sequence to solve a math problem. B for bracket, O for order or exponent, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Let's see the example. According to the BODMAS, first we solve brackets, then we do multiply. Hope you can understand it. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Bye.